In this video I will show you how you can add a Twinfield database and download Twinfield data into Power BI using the Power BI connector from Invantive Cloud. You do not need any technical knowledge to use our Twinfield connector. This tutorial works for both PowerBI.com and Microsoft Power BI Desktop. Don't have an account on Invantive Cloud yet? Then watch our video on how to create an account for a free 180-day trial. Press the Add Database button on the homepage of Invantive Cloud. Now select Twinfield from the list of platforms. Log in to Twinfield with your username, password and organization. Allow Invantive Cloud to access your Twinfield data by pressing Yes, Allow. Your IP address must be added so that you can use Bridge Online with Power BI. Click the orange Add and Save button. Now launch Microsoft Power BI Desktop. Select Get Data under the Start tab. Look for the standard OData feed connector in the list of Power BI connectors. Click on Connect. Now go back to Invantive Cloud. Click the copy icon next to Bridge Online URL. Paste the copied URL into the window in Power BI. Click on OK. Now log in with your Invantive Cloud credentials. Click on Basic. Enter your Invantive Cloud email address and password. Then press Connect. Expand the list in Power BI. Here you can select your Twinfield tables with the data you want to use in Microsoft Power BI. Click on Load when you've made your selection from the Twinfield tables. Depending on the size of the tables, this may take some time. After the download is complete, you will see an overview of all loaded Twinfield tables on the right. You can check a table to use for dashboards and reports in Power BI. If there are any changes to your Twinfield database, you can click on Refresh at the top. This will refresh the data in your Power BI dashboard and reports and incorporate the latest changes. You can now use your Twinfield database in Power BI. If you want to use a different data connector, you can find more videos on our YouTube channel showing you how to use other Power BI connectors.